Is why does food in Asanka taste better than food in a plate?
Food in Asanka. The Asanka is able to keep the temperature of the food.
Brother Jerry, this one is it? Is this your science teacher? Or is you now?
I was just trying to say something, you know, like but where I think in a way, yes, it's able to do that. You see, and the food at a certain temperature, it makes the taste kind of remain how it was done right from the onset, you know. So if it start cooling down, the taste changes. You know what I'm saying?
I see open the phone lines.
Okay, so phone lines activated 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. So when you call first, then you tell us why is it that food in Asanka tastes probably better than the one that's served in those bowls, those plates, and or rubber, whatever they call it, bowls. Yeah. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Charlie African. Hello. Hello.
Hello, guys.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening.
What's the name? Where you calling from?
It's Azado Jr. calling from Belgium, in Ghana, Kwasiman.
Okay, fine. Kwasiman, Belgium. Nice one. So, do you have the answer to the question we asked?
Oh, no, but I want to go out with my brother. So, answer the question there.
Okay.
Put aside.
Okay.
About I get information with NBC organizer say if the EC finish the registration now, look, we calculate him. So, I organize. So, I want to know the location.
Okay, go to the nearest police station and report yourself, and then go with the knife as well. Okay, that's why. Let's pick our next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, boss. What's your name?
I'm Kojo Jana.
Okay, Kojo, calling from.
I'm calling from Aplau.
All right. So, do you have the right answer to the question we asked earlier?
Yeah, I have the answer to it.
Okay, tell us. We are listening.
You know, when you put a food in a sanka, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
When you put a food in a sanka, the sanka, because of the way it's been molded, you see, the food, in fact, itself, because of the way the women move the distance with the distance, their hands with the distance, it means the stability and enjoyment of the food. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the pepperization and the onions, everything will counterize inside the asanka for you to enjoy the taste.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So do you get the point that he's trying to make?
Yes. Evaporation.
No, but what he's trying to say is that with all the ingredients put in the asanka, but I think this one will be much better if it's this stew prepared in the asanka, because that one everything is in there. So they all stay in there.
Yeah.
So if they take it and they put it in a plate for you, probably maybe or something.
Fufu is not
because fufu, that's why I'm saying that probably his will fit into preparing that stew, the local one. Yeah. All right. So let's pick another call and see if somebody has got a different answer for us. Hello. Africa, hello. Please turn down the volume of your radio set.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your name?
Ama Asante.
Ama Asante.
Asantua.
Okay, so Ama, tell us what's the answer to the question we asked?
What I know is that the asanka is made with clay. And it's natural as compared to the normal one. So when you grind your ingredients and stuff, I think it makes it palatable to eat.
So you mean food prepared in Asanka is, in your own words, palatable than those in other saucepans? Is that what you're trying to say?
Of course.
Hey.
That wants to say that clay is in the food.
Yeah, so you mean the clay adds flavor to the food or something?
Maybe.
We be eating clay.
Okay, thank you very much. Hey, Charlie, is serious?
Actually, instead, I am taking it to Adom TV because I am tired.
Hey.
I have to write it easy.
Okay. So yes, we need to continue with this on TV. So you can join Mami Boat on Adom TV right now for Bisanyom, and this question will still be there for people to call in and answer, and then we see if maybe on radio we couldn't get the answers that we were looking for. Maybe TV will do. Yeah, so we'll catch up with you on TV and see how it goes.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Music awards, more controversy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's about that time again.
Small boy Yaro win.
When we part ways.
Yep.
Just so we make way for the news at 6 on Adom 106.3 FM.
Then my boys to the show, but I
So on that note,
got the world bang though.
let's check our time, baby. Starada. Okay, so yes, sorry, so I quit na Kai was saying they bet with the Abasa and Fanto man for himself Crawford S coming Crawford. It is all no be send a link be via Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or any other platform. Be no say we acquaint or bit me fast where this can be bet we are. Me patch or that down. All you need to do is to report that person not betway for and dealing with the person. Why? And no a betway.com.gh. Obe bet and patch bet responsibly. Undi 18 years men bet it. Terms and conditions apply. We're so regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Yep. So that's it. Once again, a happy birthday going out to you, Ishmael Mate Azu. You are 18 years old today. Yes. Just like somebody said some time ago on this show, or since they say my